See you as
Good
always.
to see you too.
Things going well for you?
Yeah.
School going good?
Yeah, I'm doing great in school.
That's good.
Because I graduated 20 years ago.
Good for you. That apple a day thing helped, didn't it? Yeah.
It did. Done, never going back.
Yeah. All right, are you ready for this one?
You bet.
This is one.
You like this one?
I really
this is
do.
fun, right?
I'm going to start laughing. Okay.
Don't laugh.
It
happened.
It happens, I know. My neighbor accidentally shot through our adjoining wall into my apartment, narrowly missing me, but shooting a hole through my chair and china cabinet. He was going to pay to replace the items, but now he has backed out. How can I make him pay for the things he damaged? I know it happens, but there's a lot of ways I can think to make him pay. But how can this person remedy
knock on
this?
The door?
Not if he has a gun, I'm not. No, I would say first thing is send a message.
Yeah, right. Well, okay, so, you know, this is, it happens. I mean, all kinds of crazy things happen. This is a small claims case, right? So small claims is when you have been damaged less than, you know, say $5,000, a small amount.
Right.
So you go to small claims court, and that's the great things about small claims court. You don't need a lawyer. You go, you pay a small filing fee, you say, this is what happened, the rules of evidence don't apply, and that's actually a big deal. Because I took a whole class, like a year-long class on the rules of evidence to go to law school.
Right.
Right, you don't have to do that. So the judge says, hey, what do you think? What do you think? The judge listens, and the judge makes a decision. So this is a small claims case. This is where they should be.
Now, does the judge make this decision based on law, though?
Well,
always?
Oh, yeah. We're always based on the law. So, I mean, in this case, I'm assuming the evidence is clear. If there's a police report, hopefully, because we call the police if a gun is discharged, and it goes through a wall, we call the police. You're talking
perfect world here,
We should be calling the police.
Yeah,
there's a police report, and so the police report then says, yeah, this happened. You just simply introduce the police report, introduce your damages, and the judge says, well, yeah, if this person accidentally, negligently damaged your property, then they owe you what you're damaged, and that's the replacement cost or the repair cost of the items damaged.
Okay. Now, that's again in a perfect world.
Right.
You know, you say, okay, well, fine, you don't want to pay for it, I'm taking you to court.
Right. Well,
that doesn't, I mean, if the person is saying, no, I'm not going to do it.
Well, I mean, you know, listen, narrowly missed me.
Yeah.
Okay, we call the police. I mean, if
you would think.
Right, so if a bullet narrowly misses me, I'm calling the police. So hopefully we have a police report here. If we don't have a police report, regardless of the situation, we can still go to small claims court. We can still say, this is what happened, and let a judge decide. If the other side of this wants to say, I didn't have a gun, this didn't happen, then they can say that, but they're going to do that under oath and under the threat of perjury. So, you know, that's a criminal offense. Right. So hopefully they wouldn't do that. It'll be honest. You know, realistically, you get to the point you file the small claims court suit, the guilty party says, all right, fine, I'll just pay you and not go to court, because that's the reasonable thing to do.
I would think so.
But you know, in the global scheme of things, this is a small claims case. We go to small claims court. If we can't solve it amongst ourselves, this is our remedy.
I would think the one reason that the person would say, okay, fine, I'll pay it, is because you discharged a firearm, and there can be consequences for that.
It can be way worse.
Yeah,
it can be way worse than
I'll
just
pay
paying for the damaged property.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, yeah. You know, and here's the thing. If you lose a small claims case, you can pay a $25 trial de novo fee, hire a lawyer, and try the whole case again with an attorney in Associate Circuit Court, which is ultimately, if you lose and you shouldn't have, what you should do.
So I would say first thing you need to do is file a police report. So at least you have a record of something.
Absolutely. Yep.
All right.
And we'll represent people in small claims court, but we generally tell people to do that by themselves because it just saves them the money of paying us.
And you said there's another road you can
and if it doesn't work out right, then we'll take over and do the Associate Circuit Court case. Okay,
people want more information about things like this. How do they get a hold of you?
Well, we're at wworsham@color10.com, or our law firm 863-9455, or willworshamlaw.com.
Right downtown.
Right downtown.
Always good to see you.
Thanks, Tom.